Now, just look at this method of asexual reproduction, that is layering. In this, what happens? We are having a parent plant and we intentionally bend this lower part of the branch into the soil. This soil can be in a vase or you can have it in the ground also. We are intentionally bending and covering this stem inside the soil. After 2 to 3 days, this part will start developing new roots and this plant will start growing up into new plants. So after this new plant has been obtained, I can make a cut at these points and I can develop this as a separate plant. Okay, so this is the method of artificial propagation. Now coming to the last slide. Now let's see the advantages of artificial propagation. The new plant will have exact features as that of the parent plant. This tells us that since we have taken only one parent plant, there will be the features of that particular plant only. Now fruit trees can be grown bearing fruit much earlier because the stages like fertilization, zygote formation, ovary formation, all these things are not there. So the fruits will be formed much earlier when compared to the normal processes. In the initial years, the plant need very less attention. Okay, and many plants can be grown just from one parent. Naturally, since this is a method of asexual reproduction, we require only one parent in this. We can get a number of seedless plants in this. Seedless plants means that since there was no fertilization, there was no formation of the ovary, and if ovary is absent, naturally the ovules will be absent. So ovules are just lost in this and they are produced as seedless plants. So we can see that here we get the plants with exactly the same copy of a parent plant and we can get it in less number.